Quinn Cement is a specialist division of Quinn Building Products, offering premium product cements suitable for a diverse range of construction and maintenance projects. With 30 years of cement manufacturing history, Quinn Cement has gained a reputation for producing the finest quality products, with production quality testing standards in place which exceed the industry requirements, and a highly advanced technical process to ensure precision in the combination of locally and responsibly sourced raw materials. From world-class facilities, Quinn Cement produces CEM 1 and CEM 2 bulk and bagged cement products for the UK and Irish markets, with bulk cement dispatched via purpose-built cement terminals in Warren Point and Rochester to supply the British market. Quinn Cement's high-quality bagged cement products are tailored to cater for a range of applications, with each product boasting properties suited to different purposes. The range is available in robust, weatherproof plastic bags, which is ideal for merchants and builders' yards. The packaging provides superior product protection, resulting in increased storage capacity and less wastage. Quinn Cement's high-strength product, premium-grade cement, offers superior strength at 42.5 N and exceptional performance, making it a popular choice for screeders and tradesmen requiring a higher strength product. Quinn Master-grade cement is ideal for plastering and mortar thanks to the cohesive mix, which results in a smoother texture, providing excellent workability, making this cement easy to handle and finish with uniform results. With added air entrainer, Master Grade has improved frost protection properties, which, combined with the tough, weatherproof plastic packaging available, ensures the cement has the greatest protection against the elements. Quinn General Purpose Cement is a versatile cement product suitable for use in any building application, including concrete, mortar, plastering and screeding. This cement is perfect for general use, particularly in smaller jobs and repairs. We are committed to producing quality cement products in the most sustainable way, which is evident at every stage of cement production, from the sourcing of 95% of raw materials locally and the use of almost 50% alternative fuels in the manufacturing process, resulting in a significant reduction in CO2 emissions, to the reduction in our carbon footprint resulting from our unique flexible delivery solutions. The quality products we offer are combined with the provision of service excellence, backed by industry-leading technical support, ensuring we continue to build a valued and loyal customer network and a solid reputation as a trusted supplier to the cement industry.